Hey everyone, I'm back with a winter storm alert, and this one could be a big deal. A powerful coastal storm is expected to form off the Carolina coast, bringing heavy snow and strong winds to the east coast. The biggest impacts may hit the Carolinas. Some areas could see up to a foot of snow, which is pretty rare there. Cities like Raleigh and Greensboro could get 6 to 10 inches. As the storm moves north, Virginia and New England could also see heavy snow. Cape Cod might get over a foot. Cold air will stick around next week. If you're in the path, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.